This video is for all my chemical engineering friends. Hi guys, I am Neha Agrawal. I'm the founder of Eyes Up Communications and a gold medalist in chemical engineering. In this video, I'm going to give you a reality check and share all the different career options which are available after chemical engineering. 90% of students go for either of these career choices after their undergrad in chemical. So without further delay, let's get started. The first career option after chemical engineering is to go for a job in a core company. If you like studying chemical engineering subjects and you're interested in building your career in this field, then this is a very good option for you. Working in a core company not only helps you apply the knowledge which you've gained in 4 years of chemical engineering, but it also helps you get an understanding of how these industries function. Another reason why you should go for a job in a core company is because it gives you an understanding of whether you really like this field or is this something that you don't see your career in a few years down the line. You will get that understanding only when you experience it. In India, some of the industries which hire chemical engineers are oil and gas, FMCG, pharmaceuticals and core chemicals. Some of the companies which come to Indian colleges and hire fresh grads are Reliance, Vedanta, ExxonMobil, Shell, HUL, Schlumberger, Pidilite, Tata Chemicals, Aditya Birla, ITC, GSK, etc. The average salary in these companies ranges somewhere between 8 lakh to 12 lakhs per annum. So if chemical engineering is your calling, core companies are the way to go. The next career option, again very popular among chemical engineers, is working in public sector undertakings or PSUs. These are also chemical engineering related jobs only. The difference here is that these are government run companies which come with their own set of benefits like retirement schemes, medical insurance, ease of loan dispersal, performance-based incentives, etc. Which is why a lot of students also apply for these positions. To get into these corporations, you need to clear the GATE examination and then based on your scores, the selection process takes place. So if PSUs is something which interests you, then please find out more about them right from your second year and start preparing accordingly. The third career option is a career in research. 4 years of chemical engineering, a lot of students get interested in academic research and pursue their career in it. I had a lot of friends who joined IISc, IIT Madras and even private companies as research assistants where they worked in research labs under the supervision of a professor. I wouldn't say this was for their entire career, but how the stint helped them was for their higher studies. Working in good research labs for 1 to 2 years gave them the necessary research experience and paper publications which played a vital role in getting admits from foreign universities. So if you're interested in pursuing higher studies but you feel your profile is not strong enough, then this is a great career option for you which you can pursue immediately after your BTech. Now this brings me to my next career option which is going for higher education. Personally, this is the choice I made after my BTech in chemical engineering. I was very sure I wanted to pursue a master's in material science and didn't want to wait for it. So in my third year, I applied to foreign universities and immediately after my final year, I joined NTU Singapore for my master's. Some of the advantages of doing this is that you complete your education in one shot. Some people find it difficult to pick up books once they've started working. Also, sometimes what happens is that if you have less than 2 years of work experience, you are considered as a fresh grad in a foreign country. So in this case, because I had no work experience, I didn't have any problem in being considered as a fresh grad and I got a job immediately after my master's. So if you're very sure of the program you wish to get in and you have a strong profile, then you can directly go for higher studies as well. It could be MTech, MS or PhD, either in India or abroad. The choice is yours. Coming to my next career option, which is becoming more and more popular nowadays, is a career in analytics. Let's be honest. A lot of us join chemical engineering because of our ranks and not because we are interested in it. While for some of us, we think that chemical engineering is something related to chemistry. But later when we realize that chemistry is only a small part of it, it doesn't seem interesting to us anymore. So if you're stuck with chemical engineering and want to get out of it, a career in analytics is also a great option. A lot of companies come for campus placements like ZS Associates, KPMG, Deloitte, which hire students for business analyst positions. Similarly, various companies come for data analyst positions and hire chemical engineers as well. If you're somebody who's interested in doing an MBA, then you should definitely go for business analyst positions. Not only does it give you relevant work experience, but it also helps you justify why you are interested in an MBA program after engineering. Similarly, if you're interested in going for data science programs for your higher studies, working in data analyst positions gives you the relevant work experience and strengthens your profile to get admits from foreign universities. So if chemical engineering is not your cup of tea, please start preparing for these positions accordingly. Last but not the least, the next career option is to follow your passion. If I take my personal example with you, after an undergrad in chemical engineering and a master's in material science, here I am teaching communication skills and helping students in their career preparation, none of which is related to the degrees I pursued. But this is something that I'm passionate about, and even though it's not related to the studies which I completed, I think this is the best career choice that I've made till date. So choose a career which you're passionate about. It could be anything. In the day and age that we are living in, if you're good at something, you can earn money and build your career in it. It could be graphic designing, video editing, or an entrepreneurial idea that you have. A lot of people still ask me today, so Neha, what you're doing, how is it related to what you studied? And I'm like, it's not. But I love what I do today and I have no regrets. So if you're scared, what are people going to think and say? Don't pay any heed to them. At the end of the day, you should be happy with what you're doing. And you should not have any regrets that had I chosen another career path, life could have been so much better. So guys, that's all I wanted to share with you today. I made this video on popular request from a lot of viewers of this channel. I hope it gave you some insights of what lies ahead of you if you pursue your career in chemical engineering. If there is something that I haven't covered in this video, that doesn't mean you can't do it. If you're passionate about something, there are 100 ways how you can achieve that, and your degree will never be a barrier to it. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you have a great career ahead.